Hi, welcome to Hardware Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, ZTE Blade A51 device, and now we will unbox this device and we will take a closer look of it. Okay, so as you can see, here we have the normal box. You need to know that this is the ultra low cost device, and we can't to expect the good and expensive box when we unboxing this device. Oh my god, this knife is broken. Okay. Cool. So we need to open the box to see our ZTE Blade A51. Cool. And what we have here? Here we have the charging block with the headphones and with the cable. And here we have USB-C. Oh, it's really great. So why we have USB-C in ZTE Blade A51 and we have micro USB in ZTE A53 Plus? So here, for example, we have micro USB. Okay, cool. So what we have here? Here we have the device with the battery inside. And I think this battery is removable. Or no, I don't know. Here we have the fingerprint sensor. So let's name the device. Octa-core CPU. Here we have Unisoc device, Unisoc processor. So this is the Chinese processor, and we can use this device. We can use devices with this processor only to calls. So we can't use this device daily for daily normal using, for playing games, for watching everyday videos, for taking photos or something about it. This device is really good for office workers, for example, if you have the call center and you need to buy devices for your workers. So you can buy these devices, so ZTEs, because these devices are very cheap and it works good for this price, of course. Here we have only 2 GB of RAM, and of course it means that we can't use messengers, a lot of messengers on this device. Here we have 32 or 64 GB of internal storage, so you can buy the version with the 32 and with the 64. Here we have the selfie camera for 5 megapixels here, so of course it's not for taking the selfie. And on the back we have the 13 megapixels normal camera, main camera, and 2 megapixels the other one. I don't know why we need it, but we have it. And of course, as you can see, here we have the flashlight. So flashlight we have 2. Cool. Go eat. So it's really cool that ZTE installing great display in the cheap devices. As you can see here we have really cool display for this price. Of course, here we have Android 11 Go. It's not normal Android system. It's a normal Android system, but it's lightweight Android system for the for devices with 2 GB of RAM. Okay, so you can find here the information about system. As you can see, settings are freezing. Cool. So about phone, and what we can find here. Here we can find the version of our device. Android version is 11. As you can see. So cool. Here we have GPS. Here we have the Wi-Fi connection. Of course, we have now the 5G here, but we have here 4G, so LTE signal you can use. Battery here is for 3200 milliamperes, non-removable. So it means that you can use this device for all day and maybe for several days if you will not play games or watch videos. So this device is good for work, for example. If you need to have the second device, for example, you have normal phone for using, for family, for normal using, for connecting to the car and to the headphones. But you need to have another phone, another one to insert the another SIM card, and after work you just need to disable this device or leave it in the office. So it's really good decision to have this device because it's cheap and it's good. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.